All right, so we finished up the falafel recipe, and we're gonna make a nice little cocktail to go along with it. So, yeah, you like that over there? That's Yeni Raki.
I see you dunned it off, bro. You didn't call me over when you were crunking it. Like, nothing. What's going on?
Sorry, buddy. Yeah, okay, so for this one, to be honest, I don't really know the name of this cocktail. I kind of just like tweak some so we'll name it. Drop a name in the comments. Let's name it together. But what we're gonna do here, we're gonna make a nice shrub. And the shrub, you know what a shrub is? You don't know what a shrub is.
Yeah, I know what a shrub is.
You know what a shrub is? All right.
It's a different story, but whatever.
The little bush?
Yeah. She got a little shrub.
Oh, God.
Don't be using that one, eh, guys? That's an exclusive. She got a little shrub.
Well, that's not the shrub we're making here. I don't think you can just make that in the kitchen.
All right, yeah, that's fine. All right, we're back.
We're back. So, a shrub. This shrub is an Arabic shrub called Sekanjabin, I believe. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. A shrub is essentially, it's a drink syrup with some vinegar in it. It literally comes from the Arabic sharaba, I believe. Also probably pronouncing that wrong. Shrub.
Okay, we're making a shrub, guys.
Jeez.
Can we call it a shrub?
That's literally what it's called.
It's called a shrub.
Yes.
No wonder. No wonder. Now I know why you guys named it a shrub. Okay, so let's make the shrub.
The shrub specifically is called Sekanjabin, I believe. Also probably not pronouncing that right.
Sekanjabin.
Yeah, sure.
Nice. That's a good name.
Yeah.
That's better than shrub.
So what we're gonna do, you need 3 cups of sugar.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
God damn.
It's a lot of sugar.
If you're diabetic, this is not for you. Sorry, guys. Just skip to the other one. Like,
just go back and eat the falafel.
Yeah, eat the falafels.
To that, we're gonna add about 2 1/4 cups, 2 1/2 cups of water. And we're just gonna put that on the stove. Bring it to a boil. But before we do that, we're gonna give it a whisk. A quick whisk. And bring that to a boil. Let that boil for about 10 minutes. And then once that's boiled for 10 minutes, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to it. Boil it for another 15 minutes and you'll see it'll get syrupy. Cut the heat and throw in a bunch of mint. And just let that sit and marinate and cool down for a few hours.
A few minutes later.
All right, so once that's come to a boil for 10 minutes, we're just gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Give that a little whisk. And then keep it boiling with the lid off for another 15 to 20 minutes. Once your Sekanjabin, when your shrub's been cooking for about 20 minutes now, after the apple cider vinegar, you're gonna see a lot of the water's evaporated. It's a lot more syrupy. So right now, we're gonna cut the heat, and then we're just gonna go ahead and toss a bunch of mint in there, like so. But yeah, we already did all that. We got we were making these cocktails before, so we got our little ounce of shrub left.
It's one of my faves. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's delicious.
It's one of my faves.
10 out of 10. We got our shrub made.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go ahead and assemble this cocktail. So I'm gonna give a quick rundown of everything we need, and we're gonna make it. We need 2 ounces of Yeni Raki. I used to live in Turkey, in Istanbul. This is from Istanbul, it's from Turkey. Delicious. I think it really complements the cocktail well because it gives it a little bit of black licorice taste to it.
Ooh. And
that goes nice with like the sweet and the mint.
Oh.
And also the citrus.
I see why.
Yeah. So get yourself some Yeni Raki. Now.
I like the texture on that one.
Like the texture on that one.
It's pretty good on that one.
So 2 ounces Yeni Raki, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of our Sekanjabin Shrub, and 2 ounces of fresh cucumber juice. So let's start with the cucumber juice. I lent my juicer to a friend. She never gave it back. She knows who she is. She's probably watching us right now. Give me my juicer back. Actually, she broke it.
Slap it in there?
Yeah, just throw it in the blender.
Just like that?
Yeah, fine.
Expensive.
And just press the smoothie button. Yeah, that one right there. Oh, don't worry. No, you gotta let it run, bro. Let it run. Jesus. Yeah, it's nice. Should we stop it?
You're like. I didn't know it. Oh, I never said so down. Ah!
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of dope. I need one of these bad boys.
So, go ahead. Pour a little bit into my strainer.
Damn.
We're gonna measure out 2 ounces of cucumber juice.
That's kind of close.
Don't pour the whole thing down.
I know. Guys, you gotta pour this shit slowly as.
A little faster, buddy. Give me some cucumber juice in here.
Bro.
Okay, that's good.
God damn. See?
If you have a juicer, just use a juicer. But like I said,
That's what you get. You kind of get.
Go ahead, give me more. Give me more.
Kind of get the thickness right here. See that? Well,
Give me more.
you gotta get all that.
Also, do not peel your cucumber because the green adds color to the cocktail. That's good. That's good. That's good.
God damn.
Come on, right to the top. Right to the top.
Yo, that's some skills right there. I could tell you made like a lot of these, cause I don't think I'll be able to be doing all that.
Yeah, toss on the sink for me.
I can't eat this. All right.
2 ounces. Fresh cucumber juice. Look at that green.
Damn,
Beautiful.
that's nice.
Beautiful. Now I'm gonna get you to give me 1 ounce of lemon juice.
What else?
Yeah. No! In here!
Oh, it's going in there though, no?
Oh my god.
It's going in there.
Yeah, we need to measure it first.
It's the same thing. Look, one squeeze.
That's 1 ounce, and now you're leaking all over the floor. 1 ounce, man, to the rim.
That's one squeeze.
Okay, now open it, throw that in the compost, and let me give you another lemon.
God, really, bro? We really? Okay. Well, it's one squeeze. Half is 1 ounce. All right. There you go. To the rimas. There you go.
There we go.
All right.
1 ounce lemon juice.
A little more?
No. 1 ounce, bro. 1 ounce.
All right.
1 ounce, guys. 1 ounce. Then we go in with our magical Sekanjabin Shrub.
1 ounce of that too?
Yeah, 1 ounce.
1 ounce, guys. 1 ounce. There you go. How does that taste like that though?
You smell that? You smell the mint on that?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's where the flavor comes from.
Yeah.
I see what's going on.
Then we're just gonna go ahead and hit it with 2 ounces of Raka.
Two ounce. Not 1 ounce. 2 ounce.
And we're just gonna go ahead, fill our glass all the way with ice. One more. Right to the top. Then we're gonna go ahead, 4 or 5 cubes of ice. Right into the shaker. Ten-second shake. Nice and cold.
I feel like you weren't shaking that hard enough though.
Get your strainer.
Fine for that, but. Ooh, look at that. God damn. This must be
And then for the garnish,
one of the healthiest liquor drinks you could freaking have. It
I don't know if I would go ahead and say this is healthy by any means, but
looks healthy. Looks are deceiving, guys, as you can see.
looks are very deceiving. For the garnish, go get yourself a cucumber, the rest of your cucumber. I usually like to take like 2 strips off first. Get those out of the way. And then we're gonna go maybe 3 good thick strips. So that's 1, 2, 3. And get yourself a little pick. We're just gonna
So this will be like
get a ribbon fold going. Push right through it. Like so. Take your next one. Get a ribbon fold. Push right through. And your third. There we go. Throw that right on top. Put that right across. We got our garnish. Get yourself a nice little metal straw. Ta-da!
So that's like the
Look at
bacon for a Caesar.
There we go. We got our
Bacon for Caesar.
Sekanjabin cocktail. Nicely done. There we have it. Nicely done. Cucumber garnish. Sekanjabin cocktail. Perfect. Ready to go. Ready to taste.
One of my personal favorites.
So, yeah, you want to go ahead and
Hell yeah.
little sippy sip? Go ahead, buddy. Give it a taste.
Yeah, I'm trying this out for show.
Let me know. Let the people at home know.
Oh man, always perfect. I can't even lie. That's what I'm talking about, guys. This is
Now, that was nice. That's an all season for you.
refreshing. For sure.
That's an all season. You can drink that spring, summer, winter, fall, indoor, outdoor. I'm telling you, that's a nice one.
Hell yeah. After a workout, before a workout. Might as well.
In the morning, at night.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, there you have it. Honestly, this one you got to give this one a try.
For sure.
And if you do, let us know in the comments below.
And the garnish too.
Yeah, you just eat that garnish right after. It's delicious. There you have it. Itadakimasu.
Bah!
Subscribe, like, or he's gonna give you the wink and the gun again.